Hi, I am Lorianne Erb. I am with Coldwell Banker Distinctive Properties with the VCK Group. And this here is
David Posta with Academy Mortgage, and we're here to talk about
first time homebuyers and the stresses and intimidating things that people think it's not. First thing first, I think everyone needs to know go to the lender, go to a local lender because we're
absolutely.
here.
I think the first step in the process is to talk to a lender. They can give you direction on where to go, what your purchase price is, what you qualify for, direction on just where to go and who to talk to. A lot of people, at least in my experience, a lot of people will think there's no way I'm going to qualify for anything. It's too big of a purchase. I don't have
Yeah.
enough down payment, so I'm not even going to try.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell you that I have been surprised, and our clients have been surprised more often than not with a wow, I didn't know I could qualify for that, or wow, that's a lower um, amount than my rent. It is, and they're so excited, and they're just so happy to say, hey, look, I can actually get a house where they thought they had absolutely no chance. And all that begins with talking to a lender to find out where to start. And sometimes it's a process. Sometimes it's a
Correct.
process where it takes 6 months or 3 months to get everything in order to be able to buy. And that's okay. There's a lot of programs, but really they all boil down to just a couple FHA, conventional, VA, and USDA. Those are the main programs that people use. And of those programs, a lot of our first time homebuyers, they use a program called CHAFA. And CHAFA is an acronym for the Colorado Housing and Finance Authority. We use that a bunch for first time home buyers. It is a great program. I really like it. Um, Tons of benefits for homeowners. Um, I really, really like that program.
Great, great. And you also
The benefits for a VA loan are tremendous. I mean, if you're a veteran, buy a house. I mean,
Yeah,
it is a benefit that I would, yeah, strongly recommend.
yeah. We love our veterans.
Yes.
Okay, and so now we have some of the programs. What about down payments?
Down payment down payment varies by each applicant because depending on their program, there'll be different requirements. So, and that's why the application is so important that we do that up front because it's going to determine what type of down payment is going to be required.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if somebody qualifies for the CHAFA loan that I spoke about before, and they, of course, meet all the credit qualifications and um, all the good stuff that goes with that,
Mm-hmm.
it can be as low as $1,000. Just
Wow,
$1,000 down for a CHAFA loan, which is huge. I mean,
that
that
is
is a
big.
tremendous benefit. And I, like I said, we do a lot of CHAFA loans, and I love them for that reason.
Nice.
Yeah.
Some people may think it costs money to apply and find out. Is there any kind?
No, no, we do not charge any type of application fee or any money up front to apply for a loan. To talk to a loan officer,
Mm-hmm.
we're not going to charge you anything. It is a conversation. Um, not every single time we're pulling credit either. Sometimes it's just we'll gather your information, we'll
Mm-hmm.
talk about your situation, and sometimes that warrants a credit pull to find out if you're qualified. Other times it doesn't. So it isn't a automatic, hey, I talked to a lender, they're going to pull my credit. It doesn't
Mm-hmm.
work that way. It's a conversation that we have that will give them the information that they need to make a decision on whether to pull credit, whether to move forward with the transaction, whether, but no, it doesn't cost anything to do it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So see, it's actually really easy, and
And it's not
it's not
a
scary.
stressful, it's not
Yeah.
a scary, stressful thing. It is a simple phone call. And I love meeting people in person, but it can be a phone call as well. You know,
Right.
it's 15 minutes and we can go over kind of the process and the steps that are necessary and the requirements. And we can just do that. No obligation, no commitment to move forward. It's like I said, a conversation that gives you the information, that gives the client the information to be able to make a decision on what they want to do. So,
Awesome.
yeah,
Well, so it is so very simple.